bury people. So it was like a tomb over here. Who's going to be buried over here? The kings of the Crusader, the bishop. In the case of over here, this headstone that was found, the bishop from Nazareth. But when we discovered this crypt, it was all empty. And why it was empty? Because when the Crusaders were going to be defeated at the end of the 13th century, they're going to leave the country by an agreement. And when they're going to leave the country, they're going to take everything with them back in Europe. So that's why we found nothing over here, basically. Okay, that's why there are not a lot of items.